Because as long as I pass the message.
Riu tureka the moment na guidance yo twaheo ni CS ni guthondeka oko ni ta dining hall tuthondeke kuwega irathi imwe itarihotete ku meet the standards tucithondeke ihote ni ikinyie that standard na muno tuongerere water points icio ni ndio cimo twagirwo gukorwo tugithondeka na dinama within the next 1 month ni tukota kurona all those items in place na ciana ciuke na tuthina mbere na mathomo.
We have gone to schools and we have briefed everybody, including His Excellency the President, that as far as public schools are concerned, even the examination classes alone cannot come back and do exams because it is not going to be possible to fit them. And I would want to encourage those universities that can have online admission and orientation to do so. So whatever is going to determine what we do is the behavior of the virus. And for now, that virus, the virulence is increasing, isn't it? So, you can't argue. And this idea that children are going to repeat the year, you don't repeat what you have not done.